Fine, good.
Fine and good.
Yes.
All right. Staying with us for 3 months, how was your experience? Please share.
I think it is very, it is very learnable for us. I give the advice to the people like to the Gen Z generation like to join the class, which is more knowledgeable. You will get not 100%, at least 80-90% of knowledge, and efforts. Later on, 20% is all about the efforts you give to the class. Yeah, I would say it was nice experience about like I have enjoyed the class, which is I was never serious about the code which I used to like, and I never came here to know the thing like I do 100%. I was in a very fun way to join the class. I would like to say like, ठीक है होगा हो जाएगा. My experience, I came that thought in my mind like not 100%, but I'll do as much I can give. So, but after finishing the course, I was realizing that it is very good to like it was not like that. I was assuming the things. You will get the results. Like your effort says. The experience says a lot.
Okay. Yes. Akshay,
My experience also very good with the teachers, both of you, and I learned so many new techniques to learn English by one of the I like that mobile applications of words game. It was, and then seeing a movie and then collecting all the lines by ourselves and watching songs and. These are very new techniques to learn English, and it's very fun and enjoying. I learned the way of learning.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So Unnati, as you said that you will not get 100% but 80-90%. So what do you mean exactly for that?
Exactly, I mean 80% is 80% though we give ourselves. Like ma'am teaches us is all about 80%, but it is up to hand also. Like how many hours we give to the class, how seriously we take it. So 20% is all about us also, that how we take. So the result gonna be shine at the last day.
Okay. And what do you think? Have you developed your personality?
Yeah, I would like to say each people have their personality. They carry their personality by own. But if I came here,
When I came here.
Yeah, when I came here, I had a personality like not so good, I would say. But I brush myself so much as I can give to me. So yeah, it's all about both of you guys. Like you help to brush me up. So yeah.
What advice would you like to give for the Gen Z generation as per your view?
Gen Z generation, I just like to give we all are into fun activities more into it. So we all are listening to the cultural song more than the things. But you taught us how to enjoy the English language by listening the English song by pronouncing it. So it is more. So I like to give that to the Gen Z generation like a thing you should be don't run from the English language. We come to everyone has fear about everything, but I would like to say don't run from anything. You at least try and give your 100%. You'll definitely gonna shine.
Oh, great. That was
Participate in every activity.
Participate in
Yes,
every
participate in every activity. Either it is speech or it is storytelling. I will give the suggestion.
Okay, so put in your efforts.
Yes.
Let it be a small activity or big, you have to give in your efforts. So
Yes.
that is going to help you. Yes. Okay, you have something else to say? That's it? Okay, so overall, how was your experience?
It was good. We listen a lot of things from you, and we practice it on our daily lives also. So it's gonna be good for ourselves. So we got the results. We cannot say no usage of the class and all. We get the results.
Yes, before joining class, I was in the confusion where to join sentence or making sentence. But now I have cleared so many doubts of the grammar. So now I can, if I'm doing mistake, it get triggered to me, and
You realize
yes, I realize mistake and try to write it.
Yeah. At that time I came here, I was not with the words I got. But after joining the class, after I realized all the words, like now if I speak, I already in my thought process I was like V1, V1, V2, V3, like that way. So that comes to you
That's
whenever
all.
you practice it. So that is yeah.
Okay, the worst day of your class. Anyone?
It's not the worst day of my class, I would say. It is all enjoyable days I have spent here. Like I came here with a positive mind, and I'll do it. Whatever matter, I'll do it. No matter it will be 100% or 80%, I'll do it for myself. So yeah, I came in a peaceful mind ho jayega, and I'll do it.
And you did it?
Yeah, I did it.
Good, great. Akshay, you have any worst?
No, ma'am. Whenever I came, I enjoyed every day and participating in the activities. Yes,
Yeah, you
participating.
really were
Yes.
participating in every activity that we did.
Yes.
Even if you were late, okay?
Yes.
You were giving your 100%, 90%, whatever you could
Because
give.
we come here to learn, so there is no worst day. There was no worst day.
There was no worst
Yes,
day.
it's
Wow.
work day.
Work
Every day was work.
Every day was worth a day for you. Alright, so we will be providing your work certificate. You will have completed your